Basically run a corporate catering business, or three brands actually, in the Sydney market. 24 years that I've been doing that. Food's changed a lot, but so has technologies. The market's become very disrupted with portal competitors, so that's been a challenge for us. And I think Drift has really helped us counter that, because it's enabled us to have that conversation with the customer we weren't getting before. With the person who's on the website who doesn't want to call, is quite happy to have an online conversation.
Why do you think so many people who write into your website are becoming customers? You said 50% of people who have a conversation with you are then converting and becoming customers.
Yeah, I think it probably is because it's still a bit unique that they do get the conversation. I think it's actually a big factor. So I'm assuming when a person's about to choose a new caterer that they're looking at a number of websites. So if they're on a website and they do try to talk and someone responds instantly, I think that's a really impressive thing from a customer's point of view, that someone's there to help them. So if they've gone to 3 sites and we're the only one that either has a live chat or responds immediately, then we're ahead of the pack already. So I think that's a big part of it, and just answering the question. So if we can do what they want.
Have your customers said anything about their experience using Drift? Like writing in or having a conversation with you guys?
Yeah, just looking through the conversations this morning before I was talking to you, the amount of their final line of communication involved some sort of thank you, or the word great was the word that everyone said, that's great, fantastic. There's a really good sort of conclusion to each conversation. So they don't actually identify, they don't use the word drift, but they don't know what they're using, but they definitely love that sort of, that way of conversing. I think is really satisfying for the customer as well. So yeah, they do say, and they appreciate the fact they're talking directly to us as well. They know it's not a call center somewhere else. They know, our picture's there on they're talking to the right person basically. So that they do definitely appreciate it. You mentioned at the start about what's happening in Australia. I think live chat is really, we're a bit behind here compared to America. It's just beginning. There probably was a bit of a sense of, caution around that early on in Australia, but that is starting to change, I feel. And even the amount of conversations we're getting is increasing all the time. So
this was a fantastic interview. Thank you so much. I'm really excited to tell the Australian market what you're doing.
Yeah, you have a good night over there. See you.